Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID. Firstly, find the app you want to lock. Go to your home screen and locate it, then touch and hold the app until a menu appears. In the pop-up menu, tap Require Face ID, and this will enable Face ID protection for that specific app. A confirmation window will appear. Just tap Require Face ID again to activate the lock. Now Face ID will scan your face to set the app lock, and when you try to open the app, your screen will blur and display Face ID required to open this app. You'll need to scan your face or enter your passcode to gain access. Just a tip, you can repeat these steps for multiple apps, perfect for locking personal apps like photos, messages, notes, or health. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.